Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you that how to fix Fortnite not launching on your PCs. So the process is very easy, you just have to follow me step by step, and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So here you can see that I have opened my game library, and if it's not launching, there are many reasons for that, such as corrupted game files, outdated video drivers, incompatible settings, or background applications. And you can try these common fixes, so you can just verify your system meets the requirement to run Fortnite. You can verify your game files using the Epic Games launcher. You can try uninstalling it and reinstalling it again, and you have to click this folder of your location of your game. And then you have to go to Fortnite game over here, and here you can simply uninstall it and you can reinstall the game, or you can just right click on the easy anti-cheat option, and here you have to click send to, and then you have to create a shortcut to your desktop, and you have to click continue, and then you can simply check the properties, and you have to run the administrator for the easy anti-cheat, and then it's going to fix the problem. You can update your card drivers, you can disable background applications that may interfere with Fortnite, repair Visual C++, redistributables, adjust compatibility mode for Fortnite, and after that your Fortnite must launch on your PC. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.